Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are fine. Children, today I will discuss about the past perfect tense. In the previous video, I discussed about the past continuous tense. I hope it was clear to you. Now here, first of all, we have to understand that what is a past perfect tense. A past perfect tense means that an action was completed at some point of time in the past and it was completed before another action began. We will read about it in details, but before that we will see about the structure. As you can see, the structure subject plus had plus past participle form of the main verb and then the rest of the sentence. She had completed her work. One thing you have to understand that before the past participle form of the main verb, we have to use one had. Now, irrespective of the forms of the subject, either it can be first person plural or singular number, second person plural or singular number, or third person plural or singular number. We have to use had. Next, this is in case of positive sentence. Now in case of negative sentence, subject plus had not plus past participle of the main verb and then the rest of the sentence. Like she had not completed her work. Next, then the question form, that is interrogative sentence. In the interrogative sentence, this had will precede the subject followed by the past participle of the main verb and then the rest of the sentence. For example, had she completed her work? Now, we will see that what are the uses of the past perfect tense. As I have said that past perfect tense, it shows that an action was completed before another action began. Now you can see the first usage. It describes an action finished before another past action. For example, the thieves had run away before the police arrived. That means the arrival of the police happened later, but before that the thieves ran away. That is why we are using here past perfect tense and we have used had run. And in case of the police, that means the next action which happened later, we have used the simple past tense, that is arrived. Next, it describes an action that happened before a specific time in the past. That means Ravi had never been to an opera before last night. That means for the first time he went to the opera. Before the last night he had never been to an opera. Next, it describes the cause and effect. Now here in this case, it is combined with simple past tense. As you can see the example, I got stuck in traffic because there had been an accident. Now first of all, I got stuck. Now here got is in simple past tense. Now if I ask that why did I stick in traffic, then I will get the answer that I got stuck in traffic because there had been an accident. So the accident happened earlier, due to which I got stuck. So the cause happened earlier. That is why we are writing the cause in the past perfect tense. After that, the effect happened. That is why we are writing the effect in simple past tense. So with this, the structure and usage of the past perfect tense ends. I hope it's clear to you. In the next video, I will discuss about the past perfect continuous tense. Till then, stay fine. Thank you.